AMTS. This section is for automotive, assembly, engineering, smart logistics. Let's go and have a check. The first one is TOX. TOX is pretty nice. AUBO. So we can see a lot of automotive products. What's the name of this one? Okay, I'm a little tired. I don't want to read everyone. Okay, I can point out the logo. You can search for them on Google if you are interested in. I've walked more than 10,000 steps already. Very pooped. I'm pooped. Logo.
另外，这里还会有一些额外的一些装载标识的一些区域，主要是一些色标卡来对应我们的这个指标的缺陷会有哪些。那么这里的话，是这个一个
assembly line is pretty nice. Very automotive. Logo. That is the logo. That girl is making a movie. LOGOMAT. What about this one? Oh my god. That is the logo. IRAYPLE. MAXAIR. That is the logo. HIK robot. HIK robot. Ah. The machines are working. So you can see the logo. This system is working very well. I've made a video for this system. If you are interested in it, you can further check it. SEW Zuro drive. Very nice. That is the flag of Germany. Deutschland. The flag is pretty gigantic. It's from Germany. That's pretty nice. That one is from Germany. That lady wants me to fill out some forms. Said I'm a little bit busy. Like a questionnaire. Is it necessary for me to do that? I'm going to do that later, maybe. A logo. That one is from Germany. It's very nice. SEW. Key DR. Okay, just a key drive. Key drive is easier. Yeah, this hall is pretty nice. There's a lot of high techs. In a cutthroat high techs. That is why I've decided to make a video for you guys. Guys, I have to upload each video by the VPN. Since YouTube is banned here, it's not allowed to be operated here. Very tough. Why don't you give me a like? I hope you can click a like button. Simple, it's a piece of cake for you, but it means a lot for me. Oh, this machine. It's working very nice. Every machine has been working very hard. They don't take a breather. They're working so hard, everyone. There's a robot, I think. That robot doesn't move. There's a lot of cut-through high-tech. It's very, very nice to enjoy something here. Okay, it's illegal to distribute something here illegally. For example, if you distribute some leaflet or pamphlet, so that lady is caught by the security guys. It's not allowed to do that. That is fair, I think. Since the exhibitors paid a lot of money here, you know. They've paid a lot. You don't have a space, you don't have a booth, but you want to promote your stuff here. That is illegal. Guys, that is no good. Don't do that. Anyway, it's nice that lady was free. What they are doing on this car, it's pretty nice. Just like a doctor. Wow. If you are an expert, you know a lot about this. I'm a novice about this. For this part, I'm not very know about this. Hope you guys like this video. I've been worked so hard. There's a lot of different things. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for your attention, for your time. There's something special. Let's go and have a gander. Wow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, thank you very much for your time. I'm so appreciated to have you here until the last second of this video. It's pretty nice. So busy. ABB. Okay, this is the start of this haul, and I've been back. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Bye bye everyone. See you.